Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Then, yesterday I have given you the homework to do the practice, and
Yes, ma'am.
have you done that? आप लोगों ने उसको किया? I have muted you all because आप लोग बहुत हल्ला करने लगते हैं, सब सारे लोग एक साथ चिल्लाने लगते हैं. Yes मैम, yes मैम. कैमरा को सबको ही अपने खोल के रखेंगे, अपना वीडियो ऑन करके रखेंगे. हम I want to see you और साथ साथ एक बात और सुन लीजिएगा, ध्यान दीजिएगा. जिनका भी हम बोल दे कि हाँ आपका देख लिए, आपका नेम हम बोल दे कि हाँ आप, तो आप अपनी कॉपी को हटा लीजिएगा, क्योंकि आप समझ लीजिएगा कि आई हैव चेक योर कॉपी. ओके. एंड टुडे we will do, yes, yesterday I have given you the map practice and diagram practice also, and today again one diagram I have given you, and that was the help of that diagram was the biosphere, regarding the biosphere. I think most of you have completed that and write it in your copy. That was the prepare a color diagram showing different aspects of the environment. अभी जब क्लास शुरू होगा तो आप लोग इसको हमको दिखाएंगे. ओके. और साथ साथ राइट द क्वेश्चन आंसर. ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन योर कॉपीज, कीप योर पेंसिल और पेन इन योर हैंड एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग नाउ. ओके. और कैमरा सारे लोग अपने वीडियो को ऑन करेंगे, उससे हम देखेंगे कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर राइटिंग और पार्टिसिपेटिंग. Okay, children, now please start writing now. I want to see सबका ही वीडियो ऑन रहना चाहिए, ऑन वीडियो ऑन रहना चाहिए. और जब जिनका हम बोल दें कि हाँ आपका कॉपी हमने देख लिया, तो आप लोग जो है अपना हटा लीजिएगा, दूसरे को देखने के, दूसरे का कॉपी हमको देखने का मौका दीजिएगा. नाउ प्लीज answer the following questions. Differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. Question number 1 is differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. Now all of you start writing the answers. किन्हीं को कोई दिक्कत होगी, हम भी आप वीडियो में आपको देख रहे हैं, आप हमको पर्सनल चैटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. आप वो दैट आई विल डू, हम आपका आई विल सॉल्व. ओके. डोंट थिंक मैम विल नॉट हेल्प मी. All of you write the answer. Differentiate between physical and biological environment. जिनको भी खुद नहीं लिखने आ रहा है वो लिखेंगे. They will पढ़ने के बाद फिर से लिखेंगे और उसको मतलब, लेकिन लिखेंगे खुद ही without taking help from the book or your notebook. Different physical and the biological environment. Question is this: differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. Differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. Differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. differentiate between the physical and biological environment. Second question is, why is the Earth called the blue planet? Why is the Earth called the blue planet? Second question is, why is the Earth called the blue planet? Why is the Earth called the blue planet? Why is the Earth called the blue planet? Why is the Earth called the blue planet?
मैम हो गया, लिख लिए. I'm completed.
Why is the Earth
I'm
called
completed. क्वेश्चन तो लिखना है.
the blue
I'm
planet?
completed.
Write the question also. Why is the Earth called the blue planet? Define biosphere. Why is it important for us? Question number 3. Define biosphere. Why it is important for us? Define biosphere. Why it is important for us? Define biosphere. Why it is important for us? Next question is, explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent. Next question, write the question. Explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent. Explain with the help of an example. Explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent. Explain with the help of an example how. Explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent. This is the question. Write his answer.
अभी कर देंगे.
मैम रिपीट क्वेश्चन.
Explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent.
मैम
Each other.
क्वेश्चन. मैम कितना क्वेश्चन है?
अभी इस एक और क्वेश्चन है, तो सब बहुत छोटा छोटा है। ऑल आंसर इज बहुत छोटा छोटा आंसर है।
यस मैम, छोटा है।
सारा क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दीजिए ना।
मैम हो गया।
Please repeat question number 4.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1।
देखो तुम लोग को शायद प्रॉब्लम यही है, तुम लोग बहुत सारा बच्चा अलग अलग बोलना शुरू कर देते हो। हम सारा क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर देते हैं, शांत रहो, साइलेंट ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज। Question number 4, explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent. Or question number 1, differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. This is question number 1. Question number 2, why is the earth called the blue planet? Question number 2, why is the earth called the blue planet? Question number 3, define biosphere. Why it is important for us? This is question number 3. Define biosphere. Why it is important for us? Question number 4. Explain with the help of an example. Explain with the help of an example how physical and biological components of the environment are interdependent. Now, explain two ways. Question number 5 है, लिख लीजिए. Explain two ways. Question number 5. Explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing the natural environment. Explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. और अब ध्यान से सुनिए, आई विल करेक्ट द कॉपी सेक्शन वाइज. तो सबसे पहले 7A के बच्चे हमको कॉपी दिखाएंगे. जितने भी 7A के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं दोस्त, द 7A स्टूडेंट्स हु आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग विल शो देयर कॉपी ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, द क्लास 7A, पहले सबसे पहले 7A के बच्चे हमको दिखाएंगे, उसके बाद 7B आएंगे. एंड हम सारे बच्चों का जो भी हमको दिखा रहे हैं हम उनका टिक कर लेंगे. राइट योर रोल नंबर एंड सेक्शन. Roll number and section in the copy, and then share your copy with me on the screen. Now, जिनका भी complete, those who are completing, please share. 7A पहले दिखाएगा, 7B आपका हो गया. मैम प्लीज रिपीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 is explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 6, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 7, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 8, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 9, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 10, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 11, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 12, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 13, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 14, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 15, explain two ways in which human beings are disturbing natural environment. Question number 16, explain two ways in which are disturbing the natural environment. Explain 2 ways in which human beings are disturbing the natural environment. Roll number 24/7B. You have told that you have completed. Share your copy with me on your screen and I will see. उसके बाद अब अपना कॉपी नहीं दिखाइएगा तो फिर दोबारा नहीं स्क्रीन पर आइएगा, आप थोड़ा वेट करिएगा. 7A ऋषभ राज, आप भी अपनी कॉपी को शेयर करिए स्क्रीन पर मेरे साथ. ऋषभ राज 7A, share your copy. ऋषभ राज, yes. ओके ऋषभ राज, ठीक है. यस, ऑल राइट ऋषभ राज. यस, नेक्स्ट अदिति सिन्हा. मैम आई हैव कंप्लीटेड. दिखा दीजिए अदिति सिन्हा. अदिति सिन्हा, Aditi Sinha, where are you? Share your copy. Okay, okay. Abhinay Kumar 7A, yes. Aditi Sinha 7C. और कोई? Anyone? Anusansa, you have completed. और पास ले आओ. Bring your copy. स्क्रीन के थोड़ा और पास ले आओ अनुशंसा. Yes, yes, yes. बैक पेज पे भी कुछ लिखा आपने अनुशंसा? शुभ नारायण दिखा दीजिए. वेर ऋषभ राज, कितना बार आपका कॉपी देखा जाए? 7A ऋषभ राज, आई हैव सीन योर कॉपी. रोहित राज, कुमार अंशु, but your writing is not clear. Kumar Anshu, Kumar Anshu. Now, children, I am going to read the answer question of. So, आप लोग please match your answer with my answer. Then we will do it. Now, lesson 1, question number. Differentiate between the physical and the biological environment. Yes, Rishabh. Right. Tanu Singh. Yes. Aditi Sinha. Yes. हम मार्क कर रहे हैं जो जिनका हम कॉपी देख रहे हैं. आई एम मार्किंग. Now, Akash Kumar, yes. Shubh Narayan, Akash Kumar, Shubh Narayan, yes. Rishabh Raj, yes. यस आशुतोष, आशुतोष, ओंकार कुमार, आई एम चेकिंग योर वर्क. आप लोग प्लीज करने की जरूरत नहीं, दिस इज माई ड्यूटी. यू आर नॉट needed to say me please. Prince Raj, Pranshu Ranjan, Prince Raj, what you are doing? Show me your copy, or you are writing the answer. Aditi, अभी भी बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अपना कैमरा, अपना वीडियो ऑन करके नहीं रखा है. आयुष राज, यस, और ऊपर ले आइए, ऊपर ले आइए. यस, यस, गुड गुड. टर्न द पेज, टर्न द पेज. विराट कश्यप, यस. टर्न द पेज. कुमारी सृष्टि, टर्न द पेज. Next is Harshmit. I have checked your copy. Prem Kumar, yes. Sarthak, Shashwat, Kumar Anshu, yes. Vaishnavi Kumari, you are in which section? I have to take your copy. Vanshika, yes. 70, yes, I have seen your copy. Supriya, yes. Athav, Shruti Mishra, yes, I have seen your copy. Yes, yes. Harsh Raj, Anushansa, कॉपी कहाँ है? वेयर इज योर कॉपी अनुशंसा? यू आर राइटिंग, यू आर राइटिंग, राइट इट. शुभ नारायण, आई हैव सीन योर कॉपी. आशुतोष कुमार, आशुतोष राणा, यस, यस. नारायणी, यस. अदिति, अदिति सिन्हा, 7C. निशांत कुमार, 7F. हर्ष राज, 7C. हर्ष राज, but where is your complete answer? Pallavi Sangam, 7F. Ashish Ranjan, you are in which section? Ashish Ranjan, Ashish Ranjan, right section in your copy. Section has been not mentioned in your copy. Ashish Ranjan, only class 7 has been written. Aditya Sikarwar, yes. Ronit, Anushansa, I have seen your copy. Ma'am, you have completed, then I have checked it. This diagram, Vaishnavi, 7E. Bashwi, yes, diagram is very clear. We have got excellent in the diagram. बहुत अच्छा. Bashwi, yes. And now show your diagram. The student, please show your diagrams which you have made. I have given you that prepare a color diagram showing different aspects of the environment. Sarika, yes, good. Next, Bashwi Sagar, yes. और कौन बना है? कुमार अंशु, 7B. और दिखाइए कुमार अंशु, यस 7B। और कौन बना है डायग्राम? अनुशंसा, यस गुड। अदिति सिन्हा, यस अदिति सिन्हा, आई एम सीइंग। और डायग्राम दिखाइए, शेयर योर स्क्रीन विथ मी। सार्थक, यस ठीक है। और दिखाइए सृष्टि श्रद्धा, यस। श्रुति मिश्रा, गुड। और दिखाइए, वेरी गुड। कविश, yes Kavish Chokhani, have you written the question answer which I have given you? Kavish Chokhani, yes, all right. Aditi Sinha 7C, I have seen you. Ankita Anand, where 7F, where is your homework? Ankita Anand, have you done the diagram? Draw the diagram or not? No. Virat Kashyap, 7F, where is your question answer? Virat Kashyap. Bashwi, yes, all right. Meenal, Ronit Kumar, yes. Pallavi, Sadafyan. Sadafyan, why you have cut it so much in your copy? Jagrit, Rishabh Raj, all right. Supriya, okay. Ashutosh Rana. You have made the diagram with the help of a pen, Ashutosh Rana. Sarika, it's also good. Aditi Sinha, 7C, yes. Yes. इसके साथ साथ कल का yesterday I have given you the homework भी शो करते चलिए स्क्रीन पर। वंशिका, वेरी गुड, वेल डन। सानिध्य संचित, वेल डन। सार्थक, जागृत, where is your diagram? Jagrit Raj, 7E, diagram, yesterday's homework, you have not completed. Yesterday, all of you have promised me that you will do your studies, complete your homework. और दिखाइए, अनामिका एंड विवाकर, सृष्टि सिंह, yes. Jagrit, share your screen with me. Don't hide yourself. Supriya, yes, okay. Ayush Raj, okay. Ashutosh Kumar, good. Aditi Sinha, yes. Pallavi Sangam, Ronit Kumar, Rishabh Raj, Aditi Sinha, yes. Kavish, Aditi Sinha, Harsh Raj. अदिति सिन्हा सबसे ज्यादा बार स्क्रीन को शेयर कर रही हैं, जबकि हम देख चुके हैं, आपका बहुत बार देख चुके हैं। कुमार अंशु, यस, ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट। Very good. Now children, one thing I am going to tell you, and that is the, just listen it carefully, because this is also, yesterday I have given you the map work? Have you purchased the map? A political map of world political and India political. I have told you. And please, those who have not purchased, please purchase the map. Only then you will be able to do the map practice. Without map, you will not understand and how to locate the different particular places on a map. Now, children, tell me one thing. जिनको भी आ रहा होगा वो लिख करके तुरंत स्क्रीन पे शेयर करेंगे. In which year was the Wildlife Protection Act was passed in India? In which year the Wildlife Protection Act was passed in India? स्क्रीन पर तुरंत लिख कर शेयर करेंगे अपने कॉपी के साथ. 1972. Yes, Ashish Ranjan 7F have given me the answer 1972. Okay. Next is, which planet is known as the blue planet? Which planet is known as the blue planet? Srishti Singh. What is the literal meaning of the biosphere? What is the literal meaning of the screen पे छटपट आंसर लिखेंगे. What is the literal meaning of the biosphere? The sphere of life. Okay, Rahul Sinha. Yes. Suryansh, wrong answer. Ashish Ranjan, right है. Harshvardhan, Srishti. Who is an important part of the environment? Who is an important part of environment? Yes, Kumar. Who has written? Man, Rahul Sinha. और जिसने ह्यूमन बीइंग लिखा वो भी सही है. रोहित. Yes, human being. Srishti Singh, human being. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of the word endangered? Endangered. Next question. Next question is, what is composed of mixture of gases? What is composed of mixture of gases? Yes, Kumari, Srishti Singh, you have given the right answer of endangered. What is composed of mixture of gases? Yes, right, atmosphere. Atmosphere, very good. बहुत अच्छा. Now, I want to know one thing, that is, how many percentage of water in the northern hemisphere? Percentage of water in the northern hemisphere. आंसर बोलते चलिए, वेट नहीं करिए, स्क्रीन पे शेयर करिए. 43%. 57% is wrong. 43% is right. Yes, 43% is right. 57% is in southern hemisphere, not in northern hemisphere. Now, what is the literal meaning of the lithosphere? Yes, land. Very good. Very good. A sphere of land, a sphere of rocks. Yes, yes, yes. All answer is right. One thing that I am going to ask, give one example of biological environment. Give one example of biological environment. Give one example of biological environment. All living things. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Man, land, no land. Land नहीं आएगा. Land physical में आएगा. Land is an example of physical environment. man, human being, plant, animal. They are the example of yes, plant, trees, yes, yes, living things, all living things. Yes. Write the two components of the environment. Two components of the environment. Screen पर झटपट share करिए. Two components of the environment. Share it the answer on your screen. Physical and biological. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. Give an example of man-made environment. Man-made element. Give an example of man-made element. Yes, dam. Rahul Sinha. Very good. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. What is environment? Explain environment. Explain environment. Tanu Singh, surrounding. Yes. Yes. Yes, Tanu Singh, you are right. और आंसर लिखिए, और आंसर लिखिए. Come forward with your answer. In we live, yes. Surrounding in which we live. Environment is the life of living being. Very good. Environment involves the surrounding in which we live. Very good, very good. Kumari Srishti, yes. Yes. Not only life of human being, it is the surrounding defined that all surround जो हमारे आसपास है सबको हम लोग कह सकते हैं. सिर्फ ह्यूमन बीइंग का लाइफ नहीं, all things are known as environment. Children, I think you have enjoyed today. Is it? आप लोग को अच्छा लगा आज?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा लगा ना? Next week में हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen me.
Yes, ma'am.
I am
Yes,
enjoyed
ma'am.
very much, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. बहुत मजा
I
आया
am enjoyed very much, ma'am.
और कौन बोल रहा है?